Signs and symptoms of anemia and what to do. Your body requires oxygenated blood to survive and perform its daily functions. The blood carries oxygen with the help of red blood cells. The red blood cells contain a pigment known as hemoglobin that binds oxygen. The oxygenation occurs in the lungs, and the oxygenated blood is carried to other parts of the body. Anemia is a state of health in which the number of healthy red blood cells is reduced. As a result, the body doesn't receive sufficient oxygen. Anemia may be caused by multiple conditions like thalassemia, iron deficiency, and blood loss. However, iron deficiency anemia is the most common cause of this condition. Fatigue is one of the most common symptoms of anemia. Since the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood diminishes, your body does not get enough oxygen. Without sufficient oxygen, it is unable to perform its functions effectively. Additionally, oxygen is also essential to healing. Without adequate oxygen, your body is unable to heal from the micro-trauma from the day-long activities. As a result, you feel fatigued and get tired quickly. Paleness is common in anemic patients. The blood in your body is essential in the complexion you have. It supplies not only the internal organs but also the skin. The hemoglobin found in the red blood cells gives your face its rosy color. Without sufficient red blood cells in your body, your skin appears dull and pale. Besides paleness, some types of anemia may also result in itchy skin, also known as pruritus. Scratching the itchy areas may give you a rash-like appearance. Chest pain is commonly reported in people with anemia. A lack of oxygen can be harmful to your heart. As the body runs short on oxygen, your heart tries to work harder to meet the body's oxygen demands and starts beating faster. It may even beat irregularly and cause pain. The lack of oxygen may also worsen pre-existing cardiac issues and cause chest pain. If you're anemic, you may experience more headaches than usual. Your brain needs oxygen as well. A lack of oxygen-rich blood may damage your brain. Reduced oxygen supply makes the blood vessels surrounding your brain swell, consequently exerting pressure on the brain. As a result, you experience headaches, lightheadedness, and dizziness. People who have anemia often complain of having cold hands and feet. The blood vessels help to regulate your body's temperature by mechanisms like vasodilation and vasoconstriction. Anemia may cause vasodilation due to a lack of oxygen. However, this results in the sympathetic nervous system's activation, which causes vasoconstriction in the peripheral areas of your body, like your hands and feet. Consequently, you experience cold hands and toes. Do you feel palpitations often? This feeling might be a symptom of anemia. Irregular heartbeat and altered heart rhythm is a common manifestation of anemia. People with anemia often report feeling a racing heart. This is because the heart struggles to compensate for the lack of oxygen in the body. Prolonged load on the heart may lead to serious cardiac problems. Shortness of breath is also a common symptom of anemia. It is your body's way of trying to meet the oxygen requirements. Anemic people need to catch their breath often and cannot perform even simple daily activities efficiently. Even simple activities like climbing the stairs or walking up an inclined surface may seem problematic to them. Strenuous activities like high-energy workouts can be dangerous for such patients. People that have anemia witness the yellowing of their eyes often. Since your body lacks red blood cells and oxygen in anemia, bilirubin does not break down properly and is not excreted. Its buildup can cause the yellowing of the eyes. If you develop the symptoms of anemia, consult your healthcare provider. Your doctor is likely to ask questions regarding your past medical issues and family history after noting your symptoms, followed by a physical examination. Your doctor may perform a complete blood count or CBC test. This test is used to determine the number of red blood cells and hemoglobin in your blood sample. Typical hemoglobin values are 14 to 18 grams per deciliter in men. For women, the average hemoglobin ranges lie between 12 to 16 grams per deciliter. Your doctor may also suggest tests to determine the size and shape of your red blood cells. This test allows the ruling out of some causes and types of anemia like sickle cell anemia. In that condition, the red blood cell's typical shape is altered and they adopt a sickle-like appearance. As a result, they cannot carry enough oxygen and supply the body. Therefore, this test is useful to look out for alterations in the cell shape. Once the type or cause of anemia is determined, your doctor may advise a suitable treatment plan. For iron deficiency anemia, your doctor may prescribe iron supplements and may recommend you to change your diet. Vitamin deficiency anemia also requires supplements. Sometimes anemia may be caused by other underlying diseases. In such cases, treating the underlying problem usually resolves the symptoms. If the anemia is caused by internal bleeding, your doctor may recommend surgery. Thalassemia patients require blood transfusions, folic acid supplements, or stem cell transplants in severe cases. Lifestyle modifications can manage the symptoms of some types of anemia. A balanced diet rich in iron, vitamin C, and vitamin B12 can be beneficial. Red meat, poultry, and some fish are iron-rich and may help relieve the symptoms of iron deficiency anemia. Additionally, folate-rich foods, including fortified cereals, spinach, beans, and citrus fruits, are also helpful. Anemic patients are also advised to avoid drinking because alcohol interferes with the enzymes that mediate critical hemoglobin synthesis steps. Dealing with severe cases of anemia can be a tough battle. Make sure to make a list of your symptoms. Look out for major stressors, exposures to toxins, or changes in life events. Don't forget to follow the exact dosage of your prescriptions. You can also join support programs for awareness and meeting people on your same journey.